How we doing, guys? You alright? If you like me and you were struggling with your snap-on old gun to make a use out of it because of your batteries died out, the best way to get that back on track, to get your gun back on track, is to buy one of these adapters. Really good quality plastic, 3D printed, fantastic stuff. So in this case I chose that Makita battery would be used for the actual powering off this gun, right? So really nice, slides in, really good stuff. Get that, slides in, there's no slack, and this one clips in as well, right? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's put 17 on. Here we go, guys. So if you wanted an adapter just like mine, there would be a comment below with the link. Hope it helps.